demos which are related to household chemicals, but they are applications that we use in industry as well. So let me start by giving you a little demo about how to use coffee filters as separating agent for a demo called paper chromatography to separate colors. So I have taken a coffee filter, I have halved it, and then I'm folding it again to make a cone structure. Now, the way you are going to place this into a container is that this is going to be your base. To hold it in place, I am using this container over here. Now, you can use any plastic cup or any glass cup. The reason I use a sponge is because it's going to hold this filter paper in place and it's going to hold it upright. You see a little bit of liquid on the bottom, that's just water. Make sure you don't fill it to the top of the sponge. It should be below this. It's just there to soak up the sponge so that there is a mobile phase to separate the colors. Now, where is the color coming from? So I'm using a washable marker. You can use any brand. Make sure it is not permanent and it is washable because that is the color that will separate well. The reason to use black is because it gives us the best color separation. You will see, a rainbow of colors pop out of the black once it's separated. I have marked the base over here. You can go over a couple of times just to make it darker, which is what I have done. And now I'm going to refold it and place it into the container. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for the complete separation. And you just leave it in there for that time frame and look at the colors bursting out of the black. Let me show you some separations that I have already done. And once you take it out of the water, just lay it flat for a few minutes so that it dries up. But these are the samples that I have done with the same black marker. Now, you can see the green on the borders. You can see the red or the pink over here. You also see the remnants of the black, which has not separated. So this tells you that the black marker is composed of several different colors. And chromatography is the tool or a technique to help us separate these colors. Here is a sample of brown marker. Now, in this brown marker, you can see a little bit of purple here. There's some pink and yellow shades here. Darker colors gives you the best separation compared to lighter colors.
Hello, my name is Hortensio Gomez. Can we use any other paper instead of a coffee filter?
If your question is, can I use any other type of paper? Then yes, you can use paper towel. It is a little bit more absorbent, so it's going to suck the liquid much faster. It is going to take up the water much faster. And the separation is not going to be as prominent as the one I showed you.
Hello, my name is Zara. Can I use it without writing tools like gel pens or permanent markers?
If your question is, can I use it with other writing tools like gel pens or permanent markers? The reason permanent markers and gel pens will not be a good ink providing system to do the separation is because they have the chemical formulation to keep the ink intact, to make it absorb onto the paper and stay intact. So it's not going to give you a good separation. My best suggestion for this is to use the water-soluble markers or non-permanent markers.